Win, meaning to achieve victory in a contest or competition. Synonyms: triumph, succeed, conquer. Sentence: she was determined to win the chess tournament. Car, meaning a road vehicle, typically with four wheels, powered by an internal combustion engine or electric motor. Synonyms: automobile, vehicle, motor car. Sentence: he bought a new car to make his commute easier. Really, meaning in actual fact, as opposed to what is said or imagined to be true or possible. Synonyms: truly, genuinely, actually. Sentence: I really enjoyed the movie we watched last night. Pad, meaning a thick piece of soft material, typically used to protect or support something. Synonyms: cushion, mat, padding. Sentence: she placed a pad under her laptop to prevent it from overheating. 10, meaning the number equivalent to the product of 5 and 2. One more than 9. Synonyms: decade, tenfold. Sentence: she scored a perfect 10 in her gymnastics routine. Veteran, meaning a person who has had long experience in a particular field. Synonyms: expert, seasoned, experienced. Sentence: the veteran teacher shared many valuable insights with her colleagues. Explicitly, meaning in a clear and detailed manner, leaving no room for confusion or doubt. Synonyms: clearly, plainly, unequivocally. Sentence: he explicitly stated his reasons for resigning from the company. Rain, meaning moisture condensed from the atmosphere that falls visibly in separate drops. Synonyms: showers, precipitation, drizzle. Sentence: the forecast predicts heavy rain for tomorrow. Trap, meaning a device or enclosure designed to catch and retain animals, typically by allowing entry but not exit. Synonyms: snare, pitfall, net. Sentence: the hunter set a trap to catch the wild rabbit. Motivate, meaning to provide someone with a reason for doing something. Synonyms: inspire, encourage, stimulate. Sentence: the coach's speech was meant to motivate the team to play their best. Significance: meaning, the quality of being worthy of attention. Importance: synonyms: importance, consequence, meaning. Sentence: the discovery of the ancient artifact was of great significance to the archaeologists. Confrontation, meaning, a hostile or argumentative meeting or situation between opposing parties. Synonyms: conflict, clash, dispute. Sentence: the confrontation between the two leaders was televised live. Accordingly, meaning, in a way that is appropriate to the particular circumstances. Synonyms: appropriately, correspondingly, suitably. Sentence: she adjusted her plans accordingly after receiving the new information. Actually, meaning, as the truth or facts of a situation. Really. Synonyms: truly, genuinely, indeed. Sentence: he actually enjoys cleaning the house on weekends. Nurse, meaning, a person trained to care for the sick or infirm, especially in a hospital. Synonyms: caregiver, attendant, medical assistant. Sentence: the nurse provided excellent care to all her patients. Publishing, meaning, the occupation, business, or activity of preparing and issuing books, journals, and other material for sale. Synonyms: printing, issuing, releasing. Sentence: he works in the publishing industry, helping authors get their books to market. Farmer, meaning, a person who owns or manages a farm. Synonyms: agriculturist, cultivator, grower. Sentence: the farmer woke up early every morning to tend to his crops. Accurately, meaning, in a way that is correct in all details. Exactly. Synonyms: precisely, exactly, correctly. Sentence: she accurately measured the ingredients for the recipe. Ritual, meaning, a religious or solemn ceremony consisting of a series of actions performed according to a prescribed order. Synonyms: ceremony, rite, tradition. Sentence. The community gathers every year for a traditional ritual to celebrate the harvest. Fortunate. Meaning favored by or involving good luck or fortune. Lucky. Synonyms: lucky, blessed, advantaged. Sentence. He felt fortunate to have such supportive friends and family. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.